Welcome back, friends. Today we have a fun fall craft you can make with your kids, and we are starting with a paper roll. We're going to also use two construction paper, a yellow one and a green one, but you can use any colors you want. I'm going to use my double-sided tape and markers in an orange, pink, and black, a couple of googly eyes, my scissors, and I did forget to mention a few things, but I'll show you on the wig as we go. And of course, we're going to use my hot glue. All right, we're going to cut off a piece of the paper of the green one. It's about 2 inches thick, and we're going to use a double-sided tape, and we're just going to attach it to the bottom of the paper roll. Roll away all the way around and then attach it with the double-sided tape. And then, of course, you want to cut off the excess. All right, this is why you can use any color you want. It doesn't have to be green. That's what it's looking like. And we're going to take the yellow paper and we're going to cut off two squares, one a little smaller than the other. And then we are going to attach them to the front, or what will be the front of a little scarecrow. We're just going to hot glue it in place, but you can also use the double-sided tape or regular glue if you have that. We're going to take the black permanent marker and we're going to make some stripes. This is going to look like little patches on his outfit, just like that. With the same marker, we're going to create a little mouth. And we're going to make little stripes going down so it looks like it's stitched on. And we're going to give it some rosy cheeks using the pink marker. We're going to take the yellow or the orange marker and we are going to make a triangle nose. But of course, you can also use paper if you have that instead. And we're going to hot glue the googly eyes right there. Now, I thought about using hay for the top. I didn't have any hay left over, so we're just going to use some moss. We're going to use what we have. And I didn't mention it earlier. I completely forgot, but moss you can find at the dollar store. All right, we're going to hot glue a little strip around the top of our little scarecrow, all the way around. Just be careful. You don't want to burn yourself. Another piece I forgot to mention was that we're going to use a little bit of a ribbon, and this is a burlap ribbon, but you can use any ribbon you have. I did trim off some of the moss here and there, and we're going to attach it just by placing it, and I'm going to use my finger protector because the glue will seep through the ribbon, and we're just going to attach it from the front all the way to the back. Now, I didn't cut mine long enough, so make sure you cut it about 7 inches long. We're going to tie it in the top with a jute string. We're going to make a very simple knot, cut off the excess, and we're going to add a tiny little flower to the top. This is just going to add that last minute little touch of fall festive decor. And I gotta say, he is so cute. Oh my gosh, you can make multiples of these. You can stuff them with candy, whatever you want. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. And I have another video here for you with tons more fall crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting. Bye.